Hello my beautiful besties. So I thought basically one of our first YouTube videos would literally be a get ready with me because that's what I actually know how to do. There's a hair in there. We do need a little bit of extra concealer today because I was not able to fight the demons off and not mess with that. I'm swinging though. They conquered. Don't ask me about the placement of the concealer because I don't know. Got this new sponge from Uzza Lash. I love it. It actually blends in the makeup so well. And this is a cleaner. So when you clean it, you literally put it in here with soap and then squeeze it and then hang it up to dry. Talk about innovation. To be honest with you, I don't even really know if I would call this video a makeup tutorial because I don't actually thoroughly explain everything I do. I just do when I remember to tell you. I was totally joking with you with my hairline being that close to my actual forehead. I feel like I should be in the Addams family. Insert me into their family pic. Not to hate, because I love Anastasia Beverly Hills makeup, but their foundation bottle is flawed. It leaks everywhere. There's nothing you can do about it. I feel like they make enough money in the company to upgrade the bottle. Now it's time to draw on our fake structured face. Maybe. I'm definitely one of those people that uses a variety of makeup. Like for example, this is like $2 contour and this is like a $50 foundation. It kind of just goes to show you it really doesn't matter how much stuff costs. If the product's good, the product's good. Just contour your lips because we sure as hell ain't paying for lip filler in this economy. Not with a pack of deli meat turkey being $9. And of course, Rare Beauty Blush. Gotta keep an eye out for Selena. This is in shade Encourage and I basically am just putting it right above where I contoured. Oh, shoot. Shoot! Yeah, I typically do concealer underneath my eyes before this step, but we got distracted. I like a super duper bright under eye, so I go in with this Too Faced concealer in shade Cloud. It kind of looks white, but I just really like a really bright under eye because I have naturally dark under eyes, and I do sleep, but it doesn't look like I do. I also guess we just weren't gonna contour the nose today. I guess we just weren't gonna do that. Very crooked. That's not even in the center of my nose. This is going very well. Expect me at the Streamies next year. Drop a berry shortcake. Not gonna lie, I just rewatched one of those movies like last month. So good. It makes my heart so comfort shows or things like that from your childhood just make you, I don't know, it's just the best. I'm 23 years old and still a child though, so that might have a little something to do with why I still like everything I liked when I was a kid. People keep attacking me and telling me that my eyebrows are supposed to start over here. Like I get that that's where they're supposed to start, but why do I have to be like everybody else? I'm gonna leave my brows as close together as I possibly want them because that's how I like them. It's beyond me why we collectively as a society decided that clean girl makeup was it. I love dramatic makeup. Like I love everything about it and I still do my makeup pretty dramatically. I look like I have hawk wings on my face right now. One thing that I do like to do is go ahead and spray my setting spray on all of my cream and liquid products before I put any powder on. I also like to dab it in with the Beauty Blender just to make sure that it's really setting in. And it's obviously the Queen Charlotte Tilbury. You don't have to use as much powder that I do. This is actually a little bit more than I typically use. But just make sure you set in the areas that you sweat the most or crease the most. Yes, I still do bake. I also don't know why people collectively as a whole decided to quit doing that. If you want your makeup to stay all day, you really need to set it and let it sit and then brush it away. While I'm baking, I like to take this Bill Nye pink powder and lightly brush it over my blush and kind of blend it into the bake. It just kind of helps ease the transition a little bit. I am gonna go in with a little bit of this white sparkly shadow from Maybelline. Do I look like an angel? Heaven sent. Might have left the cake in the oven a little too long. I can't even stress how good this freaking lash glue is. I ordered this off Amazon and I actually have it in my storefront if you wanna go get it, but it's the Super Strong Hold Lash Adhesive. This stuff holds stronger than your feelings that you had for your ex. Those are long gone. This is never gone. This keeps them puppies on there all day. When you were in fall season, you put the glue on there, wait for it to get tacky, be patient. You don't take a pizza out of the oven before it's done. No. So wait until your lashes are ready to apply. Tweezers like this, the curved tweezers, make it so much easier to use false lashes, so invest in some of these. LA Girl lip pencil in shade Cafe. LA Girl is like super duper affordable and some of their products are actually bomb. I like to slightly overline, but not too much because it looks a little ludicrous in person if you overline too much, you know what I mean? Oh. If you want that pouty look though, just focus on overlining your Cupid's bow. I also like to set my lip liner so it stays. Girl likes to snack, so when I eat, it can easily just come off if it's not set in place. Your hands are some of the best tools for makeup that you have. I remember when I first started makeup that I actually used to put my foundation and concealer on with my hands and fingers, and then that was like so gross. Everybody started using like beauty blenders and everything, and now people use their hands again for stuff, so. And then just topping with this Anastasia clear gloss, and again, Miss Tilbury. This is not actually how I do my makeup every day. This is like real light and airy. Honestly, it's giving Victoria's Secret model makeup vibes, but it's cute. I don't know why we decided to do this, but I like it. I typically do a lot of like black liner, and then, you know, it just looks darker than this. But I'm gonna go finish getting ready, and then I'll come back so we can get like a whole pizzazz finish, you know, look moment. BRB, love you.